Konadu, if you know you are tired of this marriage, you can pack and go back to your father's house. Do I make myself clear?
Is that what you are telling me?
Yes, of course.
You say?
Do you have food in the house?
Which food?
Is it not food that we used to eat?
It is your responsibility to provide your wife food. So what are you talking about?
Don't you know I've been to school before? And I'm waiting for the government to give me work.
You are waiting for the government to give you work?
Yes.
Pastor, you are shitting and you are talking shit.
Hello, what's up, Charlie? When we are for her, Mrs. Ya, meaning say you are waiting. Vision Nation Films, see a day, and you are papa good channel with some amount. As you are waiting for Peer Pressure season 4 and 5, Painted Desire, Back in the Days, and a whole lot of series now. Please celebrate me the series now, bro. I'm going to Philia. I just always take one expert. What did I say? You see a promo code now, Vision 2020. Vision 2020. On your first deposit, now you see a promo code on 300% bonus. Instantly. What did I say? Auto wire then we stick in my yes, so you revenue from pussy movies in the mammo. That one to us and I'm on shit. It's a man and a rapper crab by force. One to us and I'm on shit. Charlie, this weekend, Sam, take one as bet. We there for you. Peace out.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawuli, a descendant from the great Ametoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bridi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Walking in the glory of the Lord. I'm living in the glory of the Lord. I'm walking and living in the glory of the Lord. I'm walking in the glory of the Lord. I'm living in the glory of the Lord. I'm walking. I'm living in the glory of the Lord. I'm living in the glory of the Lord. I see blessings all around. Oh, thank you, God. I see goodness all around. I'm walking. I'm living in the glory of the Lord.
Akweli. Today something was doing me. And I didn't even get what was that. When Teacher Mali was teaching, I couldn't even get my eyes off him.
Asma, this teacher is too fine.
I
also like you. Even the way today he was showing us everything. The way he was flexing when teaching us. His beard, like, he's handsome.
He's so fine. Did you even see how he was holding the chalk and was right?
Oh my God. I like him.
This teacher is too fine.
Yeah, he's handsome, very, very handsome.
Madam, let me ask you a question. Will you reject his proposal when he comes forward?
You will reject this teacher. I know he will propose to me.
But as for me, I'll even jump into it if he does not propose to me.
Relax, oh, mommy. He always find me when he's saying, is it clear? Do you understand? Like, he likes me too.
Madam, forget about that. See, on the more serious note, he's fine.
Yeah,
look at his beard, the color, everything is judged.
It's too much.
Thank God for this one. Otherwise. Oh, what is this? The way I'm so in a hurry. Well, I should leave this one for coffee. Let me leave it for coffee.
I don't know. Mommy, please, we're getting late. The day has already started telling a story.
Frema, you know you are the eldest. Please take very good care of your brother. You know Kofi and his usual tricks. Don't you let him go wayward, okay? Okay, have this and manage it for the day. Kofi, your sister will attend to you.
No, I want my own.
Mommy, so the two of us are sharing this.
My own is too small. I don't want.
Kofi?
No, ma'am.
Why are you barefooted? Hey, would you stop that? Do you mean to say you've lost the sandals and the belt I bought for you? Oh, Kofi.
Hey, where have you placed
them? Will you stop that?
Where did you place them? Mommy, please, I can't control this guy. I can't. I'm even having classes. Like, I can't even.
Kofi, education is the key. And I don't want you to play with anything concerning your schooling. Okay? You go. I'll roast some plantain for you after school. Okay? Be a good boy.
Coffee!
Bye. You children should learn hard.
Okay, Mom.
Pay attention to your teachers, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Coffee will be the end of me.
Who can tell me the tree name for Badana? The tree name for Badana. Who can actually tell me this? Ah, okay, yeah, that's you. Why are you laughing? He's just saying it. You didn't say it. Somebody is laughing. So the trap is the vagina. You see, so the vagina here serves as a passage through which the penis introduces sperms into it. And when it is introduced into the vagina, it doesn't stay there. The sperm have to travel through this cells into this place, which is the different one. You can call it the womb. You get this one? So here, as it travels here, then it enters. It also enters and sails its way through something here called the fallopian tube. That's why I have named it here. This fallopian tube is like a way, like a pipe. You get it? And here on the tips here is the ovary. The ovary is like an egg. You see, before babies are formed, there is this thing, which is an egg produced by the female. So every female here produces eggs. Any other thing?
Your name, sometimes I forget, but I hear your friend calling you Titi Bubu or something. What is your question?
Sir, this one, the process. Is it spiritual process or physical?
Allah. That is a good question. Like I said, you see.
You see, everything you are talking about here is science, and science doesn't deal with miracles. You get it? This is not spiritual. They are things that really happen. But sometimes, some of the processes happens internally, so you don't see it with your naked eye. But they all start externally. Like if somebody wants to have sex with you, I think you can see. You can see that the person is having sex, but the rest of the process happens internally. So they are all processes that are not spiritual, okay? Alright, so anybody with another question? Yes, hello.
Sir, please, I want to know if the egg can be eaten.
Now, if you were paying attention, listen, I told you that these things happen inside the human being. So would you want to go and put your hand inside the mouth and go and take that egg and eat? Remember that last time when I was teaching you menstruation, I told you it is this same egg that when it is not fertilized, it breaks down and forms some liquid that flows into the females as a monthly flow of blood, which is menstruation. So you can't eat that egg. If you want egg to eat, go and buy some. Any other question here?
Mama, I've been monitoring you for some time now. I really like you. I want you to be my wife.
I'm sorry, but please, I'm not ready to be a wife or enter any relationship for now, please. And besides, I'll think about it, but
ever since I lost my wife, I've been lonely. Please, accept and take the position as a wife.
But I'll think about it. But please, you should still look for someone. But I'll think about it.
But I really love you.
No.
Anama.
Yes, Rima.
So please, my question is, when the male sex cell doesn't fuse with the ovary, it can't produce a baby, and that is when the egg bursts and the woman menstruates. But say other people menstruate, I mean women, they menstruate whilst pregnant. Relax.
You see, that is another thing for another day. So after giving your homework to her, we can all discuss and go to our favorite one. Yeah. Session of the class ends now. I feel it. That reminds me. You make sure that you wait behind. I have to put one or two things together for you. You are a good boy. So send me to my office. You under the DJ. I'll come for it. Yeah, tomorrow. Come. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, good. Yeah, how are you? Get your mother for me, okay?
Said that she wait.
Manima, do you have a problem?
I'm waiting for you. Okay.
Really, come. Akili. Akili, how is your mama?
Mommy is fine.
This woman. Akili, you know you are a very beautiful girl. Very fine indeed. Akili, I want you to come and do something for me. I hope you will do anything for say marriage, right?
Yes, of course. I can do everything for you.
Akili, the smart girl. You see, after you do your house job, I want you to come over to my house.
I will fetch water for Mom. But I'll be free after that.
That is good. That is very good. So, but you have to make sure that you don't tell Mama Akwelo.
But what will Mom
say? Tell your mama that you are going to see your friend Pansima. Yeah, I think she will understand that.
Okay.
Very good. So you make sure that you come. I hope you know my house. Very good. Akele.
Teacher, Maui.
Fine.
Okay. Pansima. Mommy.
Yes, my daughter.
Mommy, please, I want to go out.
Oh, I'm about to prepare supper. So help me, okay?
I'm going to collect my textbook from my friend Consumer.
Can't that wait?
No, I need to do my assignment.
Okay. Then hurry up and come and help me, okay?
Okay, Mommy. I'll be back shortly.
Okay. Come, Elio.
Okay, Mommy.
1 fish, and 4 crabs. Yeah, Charlie, I beg.
Crabs or
I want
crabs?
to give you.
Crabs is
give to
this is
Araba.
crab. This is crab.
Hey, hey, is you are the talker? Is you are the talker?
And now who is talking?
Odinkasi, look.
You are going to give the crab to the.
Odinkasi, look. I'm always in support of whatever that you do here, but that doesn't mean you will take advantage of us. What are you trying to tell us?
Abedu, just today I'm going. Today
Hey, don't make a ball you. Don't make a ball you. Bow. I thought what you were talking cry be some
Your
joke
mother.
they make.
You bore me. You bore me.
We now
I want to cut your head.
Hey, listen.
If you talk, I don't want you to talk.
What did they even do?
You bore me.
Oh, relax. Let me
get plenty meat. So that's your crabs and just 1 fish. Then we plan say we go do some pound soup no with this no. We take give your woman.
Do you tire some? When you are tired suffering from under the hole, do you tire some?
We didn't even do anything here.
Hey, let me tell you, hey, I came with you. If I didn't catch any meat, I came with you. Where's Araba?
And the
come with us.
You come with here, choke me. I catch the fish.
Hey,
we catch the
bring
crab.
the crabs.
Hey,
Thank you.
Hey, you are not taking me. Hey,
if you talk back, I will cut your head.
You cut my head. Cut it. Hey,
Please don't do nothing.
Hey, my slippers. I left my slippers.
So,
Yo.
if you get, let me give me this one.
Your mom.
You two are fine. Hey, Jalaf, come on, let's go.
Hey, be careful.
I'm coming.
You tell some. Let me come. You tell some.
You these people, you are. Hey, are you okay? You are full, so we just sweat.
Who sweat?
Clap.
Who sweat?
You let him go and give you the woman.
You sweat? Me and you, who sweat? Look at my face. Look at my body and my parents.
Yo, let's go. I didn't say let's go.
Say you sweat, you tell them.
Mo mami a ba bregu kwa.
Akwele.
Kwansma!
Hey, mommy.
Hey, you are here.
Yes, please.
Is there a problem?
No, there's no problem. I came to Akwele so that we go and fetch water.
Oh, well, she told me she was coming to your place.
She did?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll take my leave now. She might probably be in my house.
Okay. Then my regards to your parents, okay?
Okay. I will.
This girl told me that she is coming to you, and you too, you are here, that you are looking for her.
Next, back in the days.
Please, I'm begging you. Please talk to your friend for me. I really love him.
Esiwa.
Frema said my maths book is with you. And I have to complete the question I left.
Hey, how come you didn't complete all? I realized you were able to complete number 1 to 5 and you left 6 and 7. For who? Whom did you leave it for?
So you can't complete it yourself, Madam Copy.
I didn't copy it. Okay. I was only trying to see if it tallies with mine.
Oh. I want you to what? No. I want to ask if you've eaten. I want to ask if you've eaten.
Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days. Ready my nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Pretty man. You too move for now, man. mwentia. Itumufuna mwentia. Itumufuna mwentia. Asembe ba debi. Asembe ba debi. Jaya kuboni dio.